Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare these fantastic crab fritters. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so here's what you'll need for this recipe. Here I have some crab meat, some all-purpose flour, some cornmeal. I have some fresh herbs, which are thyme, parsley, and scallion. I have some bell peppers, 1 chili, some red onions, garlic, and for the seasoning I'll be using some Old Bay, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some baking powder. So to begin, we'll combine all of our ingredients except the crab meat. We'll mix everything to combine and then we'll follow up with some warm water. You want to add a little of that water at a time until you form a thick batter. You want to kind of make it like, I don't want to say pancake because they are a little bit more runny, but you will see the texture once we get there. Once everything is nicely combined, this is where you want to add your crab meat and gently fold it in. Just to avoid breaking it and smushing it too much, you know. You want pieces and chunks of meat in there, so you want to just gently fold it in. Once we're done, we'll head over to the stove and start the frying process. So here to a skillet, I've been preheating some oil, and this is where you want to go ahead and fry up your fritters, adding as much or as little as you like, however big or small you want your fritters. You add that much in there, and you want to avoid overcrowding the skillet. So even though there's space in there, don't feel tempted to add too much at once. And you want to keep the heat on medium low because these will burn super quick and they will not cook in the middle. So you want to make sure they're thoroughly cooked and the heat is on medium low. Once they are done, you want to remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process until all of your batter is gone. While these were frying, I prepared a simple sauce using some mayonnaise, some ranch. I added a little mustard, some sriracha hot sauce, as well as a little bit of honey. And I went in with some lime juice. I mixed everything well to combine and set that aside. Now, if you're from the Caribbean and you want to use some tamarind chutney or mango sour with this, that would be perfect as well. And here you have it, my version of crab fritters, or some may call it crab accra. It was so delicious and flavorful. I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. My daughter said it tasted like crab cakes. It's a perfect little snack for the kids now that they're out of school. You know, I've been making up all these little snacks for my kids and they totally enjoy it. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.